hard.
Do you think Barcelona could come a bit quickly for Brest tonight?
Oh, I think it might have crossed the line.
Brest, just let's forget about it. I actually don't.
Who here likes Brest? Like Brest? You do too?
I like the shape of them. Nothing for me, Kate, no?
Warwick.
You didn't get a mention.
I've never been able to get my hands on Brest.
How much do you enjoy watching them? Would you pay to watch them?
I have done.
But my favourite, breasts.
Yeah.
They look like they're going to go forward into that last day. Why are you laughing? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Okay. Jamie?
No.
Anything to add?
No, they're in a great position.
You don't have to be big. You can be small and compete.
That's interesting. Good. Do you think Brest could get exposed tonight?
I hope so.